It is your time. It is your no. Don't take.
Is this going to be when Northwestern turned things back around after 2 wildly disappointing seasons? Here's the deal with the 2015 Wildcats. It all starts on offense with running back Justin Jackson back after a breakthrough campaign, but the line in front of him has to be better with 3 starters returning. The quarterback situation, it's got to be more settled, but more than that, the receiving core needs to be stronger and it needs Christian Jones to be fine after suffering a torn ACL. On defense, the woeful pass rush needs a whole bunch more, and it should come with 4 senior starters returning up front. Ibrahim Campbell, he's going to be missed as the tone setter in the secondary, but there's more than enough talent returning to hope for more production with 3 starters back. But now the offense has to come around. The Wildcats couldn't quite figure out what they wanted to do, and it showed, finishing 104th in the nation in total offense. Jackson will make a big splash, but unless the passing game comes around, the inconsistency is going to continue. So can Northwestern fight back into a bowl game? Yeah, mainly because the schedule isn't too bad. The Cats have to beat Iowa at home, and getting Penn State, Purdue, and Minnesota and Evanston is going to help too. With the Illinois game moved to Soldier Field, they only have to leave the Chicago area once in November. So if they can take advantage of the scheduling breaks, expect a 7-win season. I'm Pete Fiutak. To dive deeper in the 2015 Wildcats, check out the written preview on Campus Insiders.